Hi from me. So let's begin the year with a new super fun Tunisian stitch. This one, it's called the Tunisian Milla Stitch, and it can be worked from a chain in any number of stitches. So let's begin. As usual, I have started from a standard foundation row for Tunisian crochet of 12 stitches in this case. Don't worry, I will leave all useful links for all stitches and techniques I'm using in this video in the description below and in the top right hand corner of this video itself. So as I said, this is really a fun stitch to do, and it's very simple because it uses basic stitches of Tunisian crochet. So the begin is this. So we start from a chain of 4 stitches from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we will make a knit stitch, a Tunisian knit stitch in the next stitch, which is this one. So knit stitch, if you remember, you go with your hook between the front and back vertical bars of the next stitch. So if you see, this is the front vertical bar and this is the back vertical bar. So I go and insert the hook right in between. Yarn over, pull through and drop a loop. Then from this position we will make a chain of 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is it. Next stitch is again a Tunisian knit stitch in the next stitch. So here, yarn over, pull through and drop a loop. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we will proceed like this in the forward pass until the end of the row. So once again, knit stitch in the next stitch and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit stitch, chain 5. So here I am approaching the end of my forward pass. So second to last stitch will be done as usual. So knit stitch and chain 5. And we will insert the hook in that border stitch in a neat closing stitch. So we go with the hook, as you know, both under the front vertical bar and the back vertical bar. Yarn over and pull through. And now we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And the return pass is the standard one for Tunisian crochet. That is to say, we yarn over and pull through 1 loop only first, which also counts as our 4th chain in the border here, just like we had at the beginning, 4 chains. And now we proceed with the rest of the return pass. So we yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. You yarn over and pull through 2 loops together, repeating this until the end of the row and until we are left with just 1 loop on the hook. Here you are. So this was row number 2 See how fun it is? How lovely. So in row number 3, we will very simply work in Tunisian knit stitch across. So first loop on the hook, count as stitch number 1. And then we insert the hook here, knit twice, and proceed like this until the end of the row. That is to say, until the end of the forward pass of our row. Okay, and at the end of the row, we need to insert the hook and make a neat closing stitch in the 3rd chain from the point where we started here. So 1, 2, 3. And here we insert the hook like so. Yarn over, pull through, and we proceed with a standard return pass. So yarn over and pull through 1 loop only first, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together, etc. And this is all there is to know for this stitch, because now in row number 4 you would need to repeat what you have done in row number 2 here. So we start, just remember at the beginning we start with the chain 4, and then we proceed with our knit stitches followed by a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, repeating this in each stitch across until the end of the forward pass, where we will make a neat closing stitch in that last border stitch. Then we chain 3, and then we make a standard return pass. And then we alternate between rows in Tunisian knit stitch and rows in knit stitch plus chain 5. Okay, as long as we want to, of course. And this is it for today. I find this stitch really, really lovely. I might even use it for a new project I have in mind of a sweater, a summer sweater in Tunisian crochet. Let's see if I'm going to use it or not. Very, very easy. And okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.